everyone, welcome back to Tech and Gadgets Explorer. Today, we are going to be talking about 7 must-have survival gear and gadgets that you can buy on Amazon. I'm sure you have all heard the saying, it's better to be prepared than sorry. And when it comes to survival, that's definitely true. No matter where you are or what you are doing, there's always a chance that something could go wrong. That's why it's important to have the right gear on hand in case of an emergency. In this video, I'm going to show you 7 of the best survival gear and gadgets that you can buy on Amazon. So whether you are a camper, a hiker, or just someone who wants to be prepared for anything, make sure you watch this video to the end. I promise you won't be disappointed. The remarkable Aelix Survival Gear. This is no ordinary survival kit. It's a meticulously crafted collection of tools and equipment that will not only keep you safe but also enhance your outdoor experiences. Inside this comprehensive kit, you'll find essential survival tools, from a trusty tactile pen and a versatile paracord bracelet to a powerful flashlight and a multifunction survival knife. Every item has been thoughtfully selected to cover all your needs. The Aelix Survival Gear excels in versatility and functionality. Each tool serves multiple purposes, empowering you to adapt swiftly to various situations. With its outstanding quality, versatility, and functionality, this gear offers incredible value for your money. Consider it an essential companion that will serve you faithfully for years to come. Don't hesitate to seize this opportunity to own the Aelix Survival Gear, available now on Amazon. This is your chance to make your life easier and equip yourself with the tools you'll need in 2023 and beyond. Trust me, these weeks are truly extraordinary. When it comes to finding a pen that can do it all, from writing notes to keeping you safe, the SoPow Tactical Pen reigns supreme. This incredible tool is not your ordinary writing instrument, it's a versatile and rugged device designed to withstand any challenge that comes your way. Crafted with top-notch materials, the SoPow Tactical Pen is built to last. Its robust metal body and tungsten carbide tip ensure durability and reliability in even the most demanding conditions. But that's just scratching the surface of what this pen can do. Prepare to be amazed by the impressive feature of the SoPow Tactical Pen. Not only does it serve as a dependable writing tool, but it also doubles as a self-defense weapon, a powerful flashlight, and a reliable window breaker. It's an all-in-one survival solution that fits in the palm of your hand. Embrace the confidence of being prepared for anything by getting your own SoPow Tactical Pen today. It's an investment in safety, durability, and versatility. Don't wait for the unexpected to happen. Be proactive and equip yourself with a pen that goes beyond words. Get ready to experience sharpening prowess like never before. The diamond sharpening rod of the Sharpo Pocket Knife Sharpener effortlessly brings back the razor-sharp edge to any type of knife, be it straight, serrated, or even fish hooks. It's an all-in-one solution for keeping your tools finely honed in the wilderness. This sharpener isn't limited to just knives, it's a multitasking genius. Scissors, garden tools, and other essential gear can all benefit from the sharpening magic of the Sharpo Pocket Knife Sharpener. But wait, there's more! The Sharpo Pocket Knife Sharpener goes above and beyond by incorporating additional features to enhance your survival experience. Need to start a fire in any weather conditions? The built-in high-quality ferrocerium fire starter has got you covered, and in emergencies, the whistle can be a lifesaver, alerting others to your presence. Equip yourself with the Sharpo Pocket Knife Sharpener today and be prepared for any adventure that comes your way. Bid farewell to dull blades and welcome the sharpness that fuels your outdoor pursuits. Prepare for the unexpected with the Go Time Gear Life Tent, your ultimate emergency shelter. You are out exploring the great outdoors, immersing yourself in nature's beauty, when suddenly dark clouds roll in and rain pours down relentlessly. Or maybe you find yourself stranded on the side of the road, unsure of what to do next. Fear not, the Go Time Gear Life Tent is here to be your reliable and trustworthy emergency shelter. Crafted from sturdy, waterproof and windproof materials, it's built to withstand the hardest conditions Mother Nature can throw at you. Setting up shelters shouldn't be a hassle, especially in emergencies. The Life Tent can be set up in a matter of minutes, allowing you to focus on your safety and well-being. Plus, its compact and lightweight design makes it a breeze to store and transport, ensuring you are always prepared for the unexpected. Stay cool and comfortable even in sweltering heat. The Life 10 features a built-in ventilation system that promotes airflow and breathability so you can beat the heat and remain at ease. But that's not all. The Life 10 comes with added emergency signaling features. Equipped with a built-in whistle and a reflective survival blanket, you can signal for help and attract attention when every second counts. The Life 10's lightweight and compact form allows for effortless storage and transport, ensuring it's always within reach when you need it the most. Crafted with the utmost durability and reliability, this bracelet is made from high-quality paracord that can withstand the toughest of challenges. But it's not just a bracelet, it's a versatile survival tool that will be by your side throughout your outdoor escapades. The Atomic Bear bracelet is fully adjustable, ensuring a perfect fit for any wrist size. No matter your physique or activity, this bracelet will stay securely in place, ready to assist you at a moment's notice. The high-quality paracord used in the bracelet is not only incredibly strong but also versatile. From starting fires to constructing shelters and even repairing gear, this material has got you covered. In the face of adversity, the built-in fire starter is a game-changer. It can ignite flames even in most challenging weather conditions, ensuring you have warmth and a means to cook your food. What sets the Atomic Bear bracelet apart is its affordability without compromising on quality. It's a budget-friendly survival tool that offers exceptional value for the price, ensuring you're prepared for any situation that comes your way. Invest in the Atomic Bear bracelet today and experience the peace of mind that comes with having a reliable companion on your outdoor adventures. Picture this. You're standing at the base of a majestic mountain, ready to conquer its lofty heights. Or perhaps you find yourself exploring dense forests, yearning to uncover hidden trails and secret enclaves. In these thrilling moments, the grappling hook becomes your ultimate adventure tool. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this grappling hook is built to withstand the rises of your wildest expeditions. It features two heavy-duty hooks that firmly grip onto trees, rocks, and any surface that stands in a way. Durability is at the core of this tool. Made from robust stainless steel, it's designed to endure countless adventures, ensuring it remains by your side for years to come. Don't let your dreams of adventure slip away. Order your JWWYJ grappling hook today and unlock the boundless wonders that awaits you in the great outdoors. It's time to seize your next thrilling journey. The Prepared 4X Emergency Rain Poncho is your ultimate companion, ensuring you stay dry and protected no matter the weather. Crafted from durable, waterproof material, this lightweight poncho acts as a shield against rain or snow, keeping you comfortably dry. Its large hood can be securely cinched, safeguarding your head and face from the elements. Durability and waterproofness are the core of this poncho. Made from reliable waterproof material, it shields you from rain or snow showers, ensuring you stay dry and comfortable during your outdoor escapades. The large hood is a game-changer. It's designed to accommodate your head and can be easily tightened, offering optimal protection against the rain. Say goodbye to soggy hair and wet faces. Don't let inclement weather dampen your spirits. Embrace the elements with confidence. Order your Prepared 4X Emergency Rain Poncho today and experience dry, protected adventures like never before. Stay protected, stay dry. That's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. And if you know someone who could use some survival gear, be sure to share this video with them. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.